that what he's saying? Play? Play? Just watch the windows. He's crazy. You look like the flying ladybug. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Asher, where'd Asher go? Where'd Asher go? Okay, that's cute. Where's Asher? Where's Asher?
This kid needs to start winding down.
Well, it's usually, remember I told you, it's like almost like this, it's the better. He's like so wound up and you put him in bed, he's like, thank you. Asher, say hi to the camera. Asher, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Hi. Can you say tent? Can you say love you? Talk for Granddaddy so he knows that you can talk. Say truck.
Truck.
Say Mac.
Mac.
Say Dada.
Dada.
Say Mama.
Mama.
Say Patty.
Hey.
Say Joshua.
Joshua.
Say McCarty.
Say bath.
No,
Say
no,
bath.
no.
Oh,
We already
no.
took a bath.
Say fly.
Hi.
Fly.
Say cake.
Cake.
Oh, right.
Say bird.
Bird.
What do lions say?
What?
That was great. Asher, what do ducks say?
That was pretty funny.
What do lions say?
What did lions say? What did lions say? Lions say.
Asher, what do ducks say? Quack, quack? Quack, quack. Can you upload this to the computer pretty easily? Send it to my dad?
I can't send it to him. It's too big.
Or can we put it somewhere where he can view it?
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh yeah, let's put it on YouTube then. Okay, let's stop it then. Alright, Asher, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.